Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 7 from exercise 3.2, and this exercise belongs from 12th class maths. Question number 7 is find x and y if x plus y, sum of x plus y is a matrix and difference of x and y is also a matrix. So first we will assume the given information as x plus y equal to whatever be the given matrix as equation first and x minus y as equation second. Now how we used to solve the simple algebraic equation, in the same way we will solve these also. So to solve any two linear equation, if we are going to use the elimination method, the one thing which we have to note is the coefficient of the variable must be same. So here the coefficient of x is 1 and here is coefficient of 1. Any one pair, either of x coefficient must be same or y coefficient must be same. So here the coefficient of x are same. So if you have this kind of situation, then directly you can go for the addition and subtraction of the equation. That will give you any one variable and another variable will get eliminated. So the conclusion is these equations I am going to solve by elimination of the linear equation method. So simply I am just adding them. So I wrote here on adding equation 1 and equation 2 we get, so left side add with left side and right side just add with right hand side. So after writing this we will see that this plus y and minus y will get cancelled and x plus x is going to be 2x, and here we have to add the two matrices. So to add two matrices, corresponding elements we have to add. So 7 plus 3 will get add here, then 0 plus 0 and 2 plus 3 and 5 plus 3. Like this we have to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. Now here after adding it I wrote the sum here, and this 2 is in multiply, so when we shift this 2 here it will come in the division. Now so again this 1 upon 2, because 2 came in the division so it came in the denominator. Now this 1 upon 2 will go inside, so it will multiply by each element. So it's going to be like this: 10 upon 2, 0 upon 2, then 2 upon 2 and 8 upon 2. Now just cancel them. After cancellation you will get x as like this. So when we added the equation 1 and 2, we obtained, when I added equation 1 and 2, I obtained the value of x. Now we have to get the value of y also. So for that I am just subtracting them. So see the next step which I had done, subtraction I had done, because the coefficients were same directly, that's why. So on subtracting equation second from equation 1, so I subtracted them, so because of that I put here minus sign and I applied the bracket also because of this minus sign. So I opened the bracket, so sign got changed, x cancelled by x and y plus y is 2y, and these two matrices we have to subtract, so corresponding element subtract and the difference you just write here, and after writing the difference, this 2 is in multiply so it will go in divide, and this 1 upon 2 when it will enter in the matrix it will multiply by all the element. So this 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 is 4 upon 2. You can say that 1 upon 2 went inside and it multiplied by all element, or in other language you can say that 2 is in multiply so it will go in divide, so it will divide by each element. So 2 are in division, so meaning is remain same, and after cancellation you will get this matrix. So the x we got at like as this matrix and y we obtained as this matrix. So first part is completed and second part also I had solved here. Question I not wrote, you can see the question in your books. In that also the two equations are given to us like this: 2x plus 3y is a matrix and 3x plus 2y is another matrix, and with the help of these two matrices and these two equations we have to get the value of x and y. So firstly I assume them as equation 1 and equation 2. Now here again we are interested to use the same elimination method. For that, when we observe the coefficient of the variable, we can see that coefficients are not same. So to apply the elimination method, we have to make the coefficient of any one variable same. So here I try to make the coefficient of x variable same. So to make the coefficient of x variable, I multiplied the equation 1 by 3, because if we multiply it by 3 it's going to be 6, and equation 2 I multiplied by 2, so it's again going to be 6. So conclusion is, I try to bring here, instead of this 2, here also 6 and here also 6, so that their coefficient will be same. So I wrote the statement on multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. We get, so why we are doing this? I hope you are understanding it, so that the coefficient of x variable must be same. So equation 1 I multiplied by 3. So just see the equation 1. When we multiply the equation 1 by 3, here you will get 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now left side we multiplied, now right hand side also we must multiply by 3. So when we multiply this matrix by 3, each element will multiply by 3. So 3 2s are 6 here. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, and 3 zeros are 0. So like this I multiplied the each element of the matrix by 3. Similarly, the second equation I multiplied by 2. So here you will get 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and each element you have to multiply by 2. So equation 2 becomes like this. I hope it's clear to you how we wrote this. Equation 2 we multiplied by 2. Now I assume them as another equations as equation 3 and 4. Now in these equations the coefficient of x are same. So directly we can go for the elimination method. Now for elimination method, either subtract them or add them, so that one element will get removed. So here you have to do the subtraction, then only the one element will get removed. So I subtracted equation 4 from equation 3, and left side with left side I subtracted, right side matrices I subtracted like this. So when we will open it, student, you will get 6x is negative, so it will cancel by 6x, it's going to be 0, and 9y minus 4y, so you will get here 5y, and corresponding elements you just subtract here, that will give you this matrix, and the difference, that is after subtracting whatever be the difference, just write, that is how much you will get here. 6 minus 4 is 2. And additionally I shifted this 5 also, because to reduce the steps. This 5 is in multiplication, so it will come here in division, and when it will come in the division, it will go under with all element it will go. So 5 came in the form of division, because 5 is a multiplier, so it came in the form of division. Now their subtraction, their difference I wrote here, 6 minus 4 is 2, then 9 minus minus plus, so 9 plus 4 is 13, 12 plus 2 is 14, and 0 minus 10 is minus 10. So I hope this step is clear to you. And in this step, if we can cancel, only this thing can be cancelled, that is 10 upon 5 we can cancel, you will get here minus 2, other you can't cancel, so we may keep it as it is, that is our y matrix. So we obtained y matrix. Now still we have to calculate the x matrix. So what we have to do is, after elimination method, now we will apply the substitution method. So on replacing the value of y, so this is I will change it, it's capital Y. So on replacing the value of y in equation 1, you can take here equation 1 as well as equation 2, it's optional for you. I selected equation 1. So in equation 1, instead of this y, I am going to replace this matrix here. So first I wrote the equation 1. Now instead of this y, I replaced here. So after replacement, I obtained this equation. Now we have to solve this. So what is the meaning of this? This 3 will go inside, it will multiply by all element. Now since we are going to calculate x from here, so this is in plus. So when we will shift this matrix in other side, it will becomes in minus. So two things together I had done. First I wrote this 2x as it is. I applied this equal to sign here. This matrix I wrote here as it is, and I shifted this matrix here. Along that I shifted this 3 also inside, so it will multiply by all the elements. So like this we obtain this step. Now these two matrices we have to subtract. So I subtracted the matrices, corresponding elements we had subtracted. So it's fractional subtraction, which we can't do directly, we have to take the LCM. So here we obtain 2x, so 2 is in multiply, so it will go and divide, and here I took the LCM of these two. Like this I took the LCM is very clear to you, and after LCM and all subtraction we obtain this answer. And this 1 upon 2 is in, you can say 1 upon 2 is in multiply, so it will multiply by all. So when this 1 upon 2 will come here, 2 and 4 will cancel, you will get 2 here. This 1 upon 2 when it will come here, 2 and 24 will cancel, you will get 12. Like this everywhere it will get cancelled and you will get this answer. And like this we obtain the equation, means X matrix also and Y matrix also. So in this question I skipped some step to reduce the steps as well as to reduce the time. You can also skip the steps, but if you have problem understanding in any step, you can write in comment, and then I will clear it out your doubts. Now you can download the content of video in PDF from description given below. Thank you for watching.